Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to open power menu. Method 1. Press volume up and power button together. So let me press volume up and power button together. Now we can see the power menu. From here we can restart or power off this mobile phone. See. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Just press and hold power button. Press and hold power button. See. Now we can see power menu. From here we can restart or power off this phone. This is the method 2. If method 2 is not working, I will show you how we can make it working. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, go down, go to accessibility and convenience, go down, tap on power button, select press and hold the power button. Here you can see two options. By default this would be Google Assistant. We can change that. Just select this first option, power menu. Done. After that, if you press and hold this power button, it will open power menu. Let me test. Let me press and hold this power button. See, now you can see power menu. From here you can restart or power off this phone. Okay, please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.